Did you get it? Do you understand? Alright, let me try again. Gumbo. Do you understand now? No. Okay. One more time. Gumbo. You understand, right? No? Okay, well, don't be concerned. It's okay. The reason why that you don't get it is because the finger spelling is really fast. And deaf people like to fingerspell, like you need to receptively understand it. And maybe you feel fingerspelling is really fast, I don't understand, I need to improve, but what do I do? We'll discuss that today. The first thing you need to do is an old saying that's practice makes perfect. And it's really true. If you practice and you practice your receptive skills until you really feel like you're more experienced, that's the best thing to do. It's practice and ask for help. And that's right, you might become more self-confident, more visual for things, and you'll feel more skilled and more like an expert. But understand the meaning might be really fast, might be really clear. And that's okay. Let's discuss different things. How to practice, receptively. And the skills to look for are what? The first one being practice with a friend. Find a deaf person. Right? Ask for help, or ask to help practice your fingerspelling or your receptive fingerspelling skill. Ask for a word and have them sign it again and again, slowly at first, and see what you can catch parts of each word. Or maybe make flashcards. If you like learning that way and you can't see the word fast enough, sometimes that, like the game Heads Up, like having that word there, and having somebody fingerspell the word and receptively trying to make sure you know that, and then looking at it at the phone at the game and being like, oh, okay, that's what that word was, and then flipping it over, and if you don't get it or you get kind of around that right word, that's fine. Start in levels, measure yourself out, and then as soon as you start feeling like you're getting faster and you're getting better, then that's good. And ask for help if you can't, if you don't have, but you do have the internet, use an online website. That can really help you too. They have ASL, meaning someone fingerspells, and you can pick a word and type in whatever word you want, and it might be helpful. It's not a real person, like face to face with you, but sometimes it's slower and it can help you. And sometimes you can improve the speed if you want to, and that might give you more practice and be more helpful. But I just want to let you know. Now, 2 tips that I have for you, and one of them might be better, is remember, the person fingerspelling, Happy. That, that's BRAN. The same as closure. Use closure skills. You may not catch all the letters in one word, But if you understand by catching some of those pieces and you trust yourself, and somebody's like, oh, I'm gonna go to the store and I just saw brown or bran, Bran, but I missed the A. I could be like, oh, you're gonna go to Bran, that's the place with the cow. And then be like, oh, no, barn. Oh, okay. And don't obsess over getting all the letters of the words. You don't need them all. Look at the shape of the word. If it goes up in a circle like that, like a company, that's helpful for you to remember that you don't need all the words, and it might assist you in figuring out what that word is. And try using context clues, the word before, the after the word. Fingerspelling is hard, but it's still helpful. And if you use those context clues to practice and practice and practice and all of these tips that I've given you, maybe that'll be the most beneficial thing to you. Oops, sorry, I went back. I didn't mean to. You can figure it out what it means or the... Just be careful with the meaning and what it means for you. And like I said, just practice. If you can't figure it out, then maybe see it and try to have somebody fingerspell it again. But the best thing is finding a friend or whatever you can do, signing and putting it on your hands and using the internet to fingerspell. So I really hope it helped. Continue to practice your fingerspelling. You'll improve. You really will. It can't hurt. Alright, so if you like this vlog, please leave me a like down below. Please subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye!